Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your HSBC bank account. To learn, watch the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon to get notified of our newest uploads. So to begin, open up any web browser and in the URL bar type in HSBC Bank. Now click on the first option provided. You have landed to the official website of HSBC Bank. Now if you see in the topmost right corner, there is a log on sign. Click on that. After clicking that, type in your username here. And if you want your device to remember your username, then click on Remember My Username. But I will suggest not to if you are using a shared device or a public device. And in case you forgot your username, then click on Forgot Your Username. It will help you recover your username. Now, if you haven't registered an account yet, then click on Register Now, which will help you to create a new account. And after typing in your username correctly, press Continue. After pressing Continue, it will ask your password or your security number. Type in your password or your security number. After typing your password or your security number correctly, press Log In, and you will log into your bank account. So this was the process of logging into HSBC bank account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a thumbs up and comment any queries or suggestions. Stay tuned as we will be posting similar kind of content. For now, thank you for watching.